Hi my friends, welcome to Plants and Lucia. My name is Lucia and this right here is Sylvia. Today we're gonna learn how to take care of the beautiful Peperomia Obtusifolia. Okay, coming up. Whether you're coming back or this is your first time in this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. This channel is all about houseplants, so if you want to learn how to take care of them, how to display them, or even how to connect with them, make sure to subscribe so we can see each other every Tuesday and Thursday and talk about plants. If you're watching this video just after it came out, make sure to also participate in the 1000 giveaway video. I will wait for you there. But now, let's get to the video. Okay my friends, so this plant actually comes from Central America and South America. You can also find her way up in Florida. It has many common names. You can find her as hanging peperomia, baby rubber plant, pepperface plant, or American rubber plant. It comes in two varieties. The first one is dark green peperomia. This is the Peperomia Obtusifolia. The second one is like this one right here. So this one is the Peperomia Obtusifolia variegata. This means that your plant will have different tones of green and also even other colors. The Peperomia Obtusifolia is actually one of the 1000 species of Peperomia plants. This one is a little bit closer to the succulent variation. This means that the leaves actually keep a lot of water inside. And that's why the leaves are a little bit thicker in this plant than other plants. This is important to remember when you're watering your plant, but we'll get to that in a moment. For now, let's see how we can keep this plant very happy at our house. In terms of temperature, keep your plant in a room that is between 10 to 27 degrees Celsius. So this plant likes a little bit lower temperatures. Since this plant comes from the tropics, she really likes humidity. There are different ways to keep your humidity levels high. First one, you can actually keep your plant with other tropical plants. They tend to help each other with humidity levels. If your plant seems to need more humidity, for example, in the winter, the air in our homes becomes drier. So you can actually make a humidity tray for her. Or of course, use a humidifier. When we talk about light, this plant will be very happy in bright, indirect sunlight. It will also tolerate low light. However, very importantly, avoid direct sunlight. If the plant is at direct sunlight for a long period of time, the leaves will turn pale in color. Now, let's talk about watering. So I usually water this plant in a moderate way or less, since this peperomia is actually closer to the succulent spectrum. So, as I said, her leaves actually retain lots of water. So you want to be careful and not overwater your plant. The way that I check if my plant needs water is actually with my finger. I put my finger inside the soil until the second knuckle. Once I feel that the soil is dry, then I water. So you can actually use the bottom watering method. With this method, you make sure that the water gets into the soil from below, but then you let the water drain down through the drainage holes. That way you make sure that the soil is not super wet, it's just moist. In terms of soil, a good organic houseplant soil should be very good for her. Just make sure that the soil has good drainage. If you want to make your own potting mix, what I would recommend is that you use 50% organic soil and 50% perlite. That way you make sure that your plant has good drainage. So, do you have a Peperomia Obtusifolia in your house? How do you take care of it? Make sure to comment below so we can all learn together. If you would like to be part of this community, you're always welcome. So make sure to subscribe so we can see each other every Tuesday and Thursday and talk about plants. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!